Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct. I wanted to introduce you guys to two softwares that I use to build a massive email list, and how you will be able to get them too. Now, there's two ways you can get this, right? Either you can buy it outright, which is about $120 a piece for both these softwares, or you can either join me in email processing at the $100 level, or the $25 one up, which is pretty much the same thing at the $100 level as well. So the one of these come with it. So this right here comes with it. The other one, I don't know if I'm gonna throw it in yet. We'll see. But so basically, this software will extract emails from all across Google, YouTube, uh, any keyword that I type in. Anybody who's ever put in a Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail. When you get this software, it comes with a bunch of emails. I usually take all those out and leave the Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail. And then this right here is just disable keywords. Don't touch this when you get it. It just basically so that you don't get corporate emails and things like that and be sending stuff to a company. It kind of takes those all of those out for you. And so you'll put in your keywords. So here I did like make money online, work from home. And then I just did a bunch of different work from home systems like Infinity Profit System, Easy One Up, Big Profit System, National Web Center, My Econ, Exodus Elite, Four Corners, Levels Rewards, a bunch of them. Okay, and you can do up to 50,000 keywords. So you can just see how many emails you can get. Trust me, a lot. All right, so then after that, after you got all that, you want to come down here. You want to click, your 30 seconds and above. Never do 1 second. If you do 1 second, it could cause some problems because this is a software, and if Google finds out that you're using a software, they could potentially ban you from using the software. So in order to keep you on the safe side, uh, you usually do 30 seconds and above. Okay, normally I do 30 to 60 seconds, and then if you do 1 second, you'll need to use proxies and things like that. So it gets technical. So basically, just do this, and then you hit start, and then you will be able to see emails and stuff pop up on the screen from these keywords. As you can see they're already popping up. Okay, so 18, 19, 20, 24, and they just keep going up. All right, tons and tons of emails. So when they talk about building a list, you can build a list, and you can literally let this run for days on end. So you can get up to 30, 40, 50, 60, 100,000 emails, right? And so then once you get your email list, the smart thing to do would not be to send your opportunity out to these people immediately. The smart thing to do would be to send out positive value, things like, some tips on how they could do something better, or just a shirt or something free, a ebook or PDF or something, that's going to give them value. Do that like 3 or 4 times, and then on like the fifth time or the fourth time, then you want to send them an offer. The reason why you want to do that is because it builds trust. And people get all type of spam emails all day, with people trying to get them to join something. So if you're giving away free content at first and providing value at first, then it'll build more trust. And once they open the email, it's something that's going to help them. So, for an example, you guys, I made an email list here, MCA one, about 577 leads, and I'll give you an example of what I did. I went to teespring.com and made a shirt for free, a MCA shirt, and then I sent it out to that MCA list. Instead of it wasn't something that they had to join. It was already something they were a part of, and it was a shirt. And a lot of people wanted to get MCA shirts, so I sent that out, and made a lot of good profit off of it. Okay, so it's just kind of about how you do it. Now this next one is similar, but it's actually text messages. Okay, so this one I'm not sure if I'm gonna add to the you know the program, but I might just do it. It depends. I like this one too though. But the reason why I like this one because it's text messages, and most people open their text messages before email because they're always on their phone, so the open rate is a lot better. You can do the same thing with the keywords here, okay? And then you can pick AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, or Verizon. The reason why most of the time I choose Verizon is for the simple fact that that's the largest cell phone carrier, so they have the the biggest variety. But then once you click start on that, you'll go down and it'll give you all these different phone numbers starting with 201. It'll just keep going until it goes into millions and millions of phone numbers. And these are actual phone numbers from Verizon users that whatever keyword that you put in, and then it converts them into a email. So once you send out an email to these people, it will send them a text message to their phone. So you send out an email and then it sends them a text message to their phone. So whatever you send. Now on this one, I wouldn't do so much as the value. I would pretty much do your opportunity. I mean, you could do value, which is cool just to kind of get them. But I would probably share opportunity, something that's probably low cost or like a CPA offer or something like that. So that way you get paid when they opt in and things like that. But so as you can see right now, I have 809 mobile numbers. I stopped it because I could have did more, but then you can restart it and do as much as you want after that. Okay, so this software is great as well as this one. I'm already up to 228 emails, and I literally can let this go for days and days and days on end. So that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably build this email list up to a few thousand. And then I'll go ahead and start doing value. And like I said, this is the kind of stuff that people don't tell you on how they build their massive email list. People are using softwares and things like that, and then they're using organic, things as well, and providing value and giving away stuff for free. But a lot of stuff that these top guys are using that they don't tell anybody about, and they make you do all the hard work. So this is pretty much the easy work on how you can start making some good money. Now I'm not saying it's just going to make you millions of dollars off the back, but as you know, an email list is very powerful because the other day I got an children's place as a place that I get my daughter's clothes and stuff from for school and uniforms and stuff. So I forgot I gave them my email address one day, and then I got an email that they were having a sale, and I decided to go up there and buy her some more clothes. So that's just the power of email marketing. They send me an email, I opened it, I was like, oh, they're having a sale, good. They kind of had a couple things to have them sell on, so went up there, took a look, and then voila. So as you can see, it went through the make money online keywords all the way through the work from home keywords, and it's just going to keep going down the list. So now it's in the infinity profit system, and this thing is just going to continue to go up. It's now on the easy one up. And so if you guys want this, like I said, you can join me in email processing at the $100 level, $25 one up at the $100 level. Either one of those, I would prefer $25 one up, but either way, they're the same thing. So I just kind of name both. Um, yeah, and if that's what you want to do, or you can just hit me up and buy them outright. This one for sure comes with it on the $100 level for sure. The other one, like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to add that to it yet. I may just do it. I may not. I may, it just depends on how I feel. Because I really like this one as well too. So, with that being said, if you guys have any questions, concerns about anything as far as making money online or how to market and things like that, let me know, and I want to help you. If you guys need training, I have training below this video as well. Tons of stuff, man. So just check out the description below. And if you haven't got started, making money online, or if you haven't got started with the $25 one up system, definitely, get started with that today, and then contact me and let's get you started to making some money, you guys. With that being said, I'm out. Peace.